quickly wrap up actually. So, when we are talking about this particular IP overview, in the first session, in the first module, we have talked about introduction, that harnessing IP, unveiling key concepts, and about IP litigation. In this module, we just focused on the academic organization and IP litigation, and a research organization and IP litigation. Now, before closing, I will just ask you one thing. In your academic setup or research organization, you may not disclose the name of your academic organization or research organization, or around you, if you are, or if you have faced some issue related to intellectual property, just identify that, and maybe you can write it in that comment box. And if it is like a very serious issue is there and you do not want to put it into that comment box, you can just put it into the discussion forum. We can discuss it into the discussion forum about that particular issue, and we will try to seek answer to that particular scenario.